Hello everyone, today we're going to introduce you our latest NB-IoT sensor, TILTdot. Before we start, here's the outline of this video. Spec, feature, application, accessories, housing, installation, and operation. So let's talk about the spec. TILTdot is a dual-axis wireless tilt meter, measuring range plus or minus 90 degrees. Measurement accuracy plus or minus 0.01 degree, calibrated to plus or minus 30 degrees. Resolution 0.0001 degrees. Operating temperature -30 to 85 degrees Celsius. LPWAN, NB-IoT. Network Protocol, MQTT. Storage, 32 GB micro SD card. Power supply, two 18650 lithium-ion batteries. TILTdot is the ultimate electronic dual-axis wireless tilt meter with advanced features and reliable performance, including XY dual-axis angle data output, making it an ideal choice for precise and accurate tilt measurement in a variety of industries and applications. TILTdot is equipped with NB-IoT wireless transmission and temperature measurement capabilities. Furthermore, the recorded data can be uploaded to a cloud service for 24-hour real-time monitoring through simple setups on the SD card. TILTdot is also compiled with MQTT Protocol, facilitating easy data reception and integration. When using the device with its low-power 18650 lithium-ion rechargeable batteries alone, TILTdot can stand independently for at least 3 months. However, with the charging port within TILTdot, users can connect it to a solar panel, mains power, or other power sources, allowing them to keep the battery charged indefinitely. This feature significantly extends the device's operational lifespan, making it suitable for prolonged and continuous use. TILTdot is an effective tool that is designed to be applied to various areas, including tilt monitoring for building structures, Pierce tilt monitoring for mass rapid transit, high-speed rail and bridges. It can also be used for structural tilt monitoring of subways, high-speed rail and tunnels, as well as tilt monitoring for retaining walls and slope surface displacement monitoring. The package comes with one 32 GB micro SD card and adapter, one NB-IoT antenna, one cable connector, and one .cloud software license key card. Please note that the NB-IoT SIM card and 18650 lithium-ion batteries will not be included in the package. However, we offer the option to purchase the batteries directly from us. For the SIM card, you will need to purchase it from your local telecom provider as it is not included in the package. We recommend sourcing the SIM card and 18650 lithium-ion batteries locally to avoid expensive shipping costs. Now let's take a closer look and check out all the parts that are shown here. You will find an antenna port, a battery holder, a COM port, an SD card slot, a SIM card slot, a test button, a pressure relief valve, a charging port, and a TILTdot enclosure. Let's move on to the installation. The first step will be inserting the SD card. The SD card contains the TILTdot configuration setup file. You will need to configure a file which is called TI setup before inserting the SD card into the slot. The second step will be inserting the SIM card. Please check with your local telecom providers on NB-IoT service before purchasing, since every country has different data plans and wireless frequency bands for NB-IoT. The third step will be connecting the antenna. We've also made 2 other videos on how to use DOT and how to set up FTP function for DOT. These 2 videos are must-watch videos if you are interested in using our wireless function on TILTdot. Make sure you check them out before turning on your TILTdot for the best performance. As the final step, we'll be placing the battery into the battery holder, and TILTdot will turn on automatically once it's powered. Here's a friendly reminder, the positive and negative electrodes of 2 battery holders are in the same direction. Please note the green LED light will stay on until the data has successfully been transmitted to our server. It will take about 2 to 3 minutes for the green LED light to turn off for the first time due to the NB-IoT server registration. And if you're interested in using the charging port that makes your TILTdot charge indefinitely, please remove the pressure relief valve and replace it with the cable connector that's provided within the package in order to connect to other power sources. Again, please check out our other videos related to web interface if you are interested in using the wireless function. Here we are moving to the last step. TILTdot features a test button that allows you to instantly take a measurement and send it to our server via NB-IoT. The test button is a helpful tool for troubleshooting, as it can quickly identify if TILTdot and NB-IoT services are working. Your TILTdot is now ready for monitoring. If you're interested in this product, please visit www.sanlien.com for more information, and feel free to contact us at any time. Sanlien Technology, be the frontier of environmental monitoring.